Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. And today सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक. आणि today I am showing you motiyale quick motiyale crispy fry. So now these are motiyales, okay, kindly have a look. They're tiny fish, so mostly if you soak them in water for a few minutes, all their scales comes out. But if anything is there, just you have to clean it this way, then take out the head and then just press here and everything comes out. So this way I will show you again. तो ही मोतियाई जी आसा पावसांनी मेळता आनी गोंया मेळता आनी सगळ्याक मेळता, पूण भायर गोवा भायर मातशी म्हारग आसता ही. तर सुटी करपाक मातशें त्रास, पूण टेस्टी नुस्तें. इट्स व्हेरी टेस्टी, ओनली द क्लिनिंग प्रोसिजर. सो some, now I am showing you to remove all this, but some directly fry along with the head. It depends upon you. Only you have to wash it at least 3 times or 4 times so that the scales all comes out. There are no scales, see. And then you just apply whatever I am going to show or your way and fry it crispy. But for those who want to remove all this, just remove this way like this. I've kept the oil also frying because this is quick recipe. And better sit somewhere if you are cleaning. If you are not cleaning, then only wash and fry it. So कोणाक हे काडूंक नाका, तेंच्यांनी डायरेक्ट पासून भाजूं येता मसालो लावन आनी कुरकुरीत भाजूं येता. पूण जेंकां हें लायक ना पोटांतलें, हें तेंकां लागून दाखयता हांव. तो हे म्हाजो हांवें सुटी करून अशें दवरलेलें सगळें. आतां हांव तुमकां प्रोसिजर दाखयता. So we need salt, which is very less. A pinch of salt is fine, otherwise it will become salty. Then we will add half of lime juice to this. Okay. Optional lime juice, if you don't want, then it is optional. Then we'll have to add some masala. Very less masala is more tasty for this fish. So 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 of chilli powder. So this is basic what I am using. A pinch of like this much is enough ginger garlic paste. Now we'll add around 1 tablespoon of Rava in this. Okay, and we'll add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, that is Maida, in this. That's it. And we'll mix this all together. Let it go for entire fish. Okay, हे बरे भशेन लायपाचें. Rice flour also will do, and maida also will do. Some wants to put corn flour, That also will do. Now we'll check in one, we'll put and check. Yeah, the oil is hot. Okay, so now we can put, and it is on low flame. So you can just fry this all. The flame is very low, as you can see. So like this only you have to fry this all. So 10 मातशे बरे स्लो फ्लेमीचेर पहिले तापोवन घेयात हे भाजता तेन्ना. So let it fry crispy, then only it's more fun to eat. See the color is changing. Color तेजो आता change जाता. Okay, आमका golden brown color जाता. You can fry it shallow fry also, but magir time lagta shallow fry. So better eat at least this much oil you need to fry them. Almost done. Korpapachi garaz na. See, here it is. So here we'll remove this now. Here it is. So hope you will enjoy this crispy fry motiyai, and do let me know. Magta ki soglange bore lagtele crispy restaurantani मेवता आणि हे very delicacy actually बरे भशेन भाजून खायत जाल्यार एकदम बरें लागता. थोडो त्रास आहा पूण त्रासा उपरांतूच आमकां फळ मेवता न्हू. सो देव बरें करूं तुमकां. थँक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.
And here it is ready to eat Goan Motiyale. Enjoy!